Okay, so let's talk color matching. This is going to be great for especially the makeup people that are doing boxes for makeup. Uh, we have this thing called the CC libraries. It's an awesome addition to the Creative Cloud. What you want to do is Windows, Libraries, add that to your toolbar. And then you're going to create a new library. And what this is going to do is create a dynamic library that's shared through the cloud through all of your designers. Here's mine that I use for work, and what you can do here is you can actually add color swatches from your color palette. Why this is important is because say we have a specific color that we've color matched for you in the past. You can download a proof from us either off of our Insight or get a proof from one of our project managers. And then once you get the proof, use your eyedropper tool, grab the swatch, drag it into here, and from here you can add it to your CC libraries. And then once you drag and drop or choose to add the new fill color, you can name it in here and say like it's a certain shade of makeup. You would call it that shade of makeup, and now you have that swatch saved to a library that all of your designers can access. So the next time you go to work on that specific box for that shade of makeup, all you have to do is select your background and then select your fill color that you saved. We'll say blister coating for now. Bam. And that's going to be the same for all of your designers. And the cool part is if say you go in to print it next time and the color isn't matching and we do some more color matching for you, well, you can download that proof again and re-update your library dynamically, and then it'll be shared across all your designers and you'll have that color forever until you choose to update it. So CC Libraries is a fantastic way to speed up your production process. Also, here's how to export it. Once you've created your library, export your CC library and it'll create a file that you can send to your designers through email. And then you just import to library and import that file. And it should work.